So this is good manners. Sorry about that. But as you can tell from the title of my channel, I'm a massive nerd, and it's not. I don't think it's unusual anymore, really. People accept me as being a complete nerd. But as a nerd, I like many things. Batman is one of my favourite things, and also Doctor Who. If I had to choose between Marvel or DC, DC any day, even though my favourite comic character used to be Captain, God, I can't speak, used to be Iron Man, and, this is only going to be like a 6-minute video or something, but I started to construct a sonic screwdriver, and I wanted to put it online before I had even finished it, because I always get really excited about putting things and finishing things, so, and also I started a new YouTube channel. So, this is my sonic screwdriver, and it's very basic design. That the little hole thing was done on a mill, and then those rings up the top, if you can see them, were done on a lathe, and it's just a basic copper pipe one you'll have as your pipes. And also I have my Sonic, the top. It's only a small glass, actually it's perspex, but unfortunately there's a crackling effect in it. Probably just it, but the top of it I think looks really good, and with the LED it will look completely awesome. I did make another perspex tube, but I messed that up because I'm a complete numpty most of the time. You can tell by all the black. I was trying to just get the top and bottom, but to be honest, CVA kicked in. I've got buttons to put on and all of that. The electrics. I was gonna put sounds in it, but typically, because I'm an umpty, I break the sound system thing on the Sarah Jane toy, which is very annoying, to say the least. There'll be an LED, I'm not sure. I've got red ones and one blue one, which I think works on 12 volts, and they're really expensive, and I have one, but I don't want to waste the battery on that, just for, I think it's a flashing LED or something. Also, on the bottom, I'm thinking about sticking something like that on. Buttons, very basic and boring. Actually, I broke it, typically. You'll hear me calling myself a numpty most of the time, because I'm extremely negative about myself a lot of the time. This only occurred to me a little while ago, so, yeah. Also, the top bit, that bit, is an aerial cable. It takes the top bit. It was completely fried, and dismantled. Basically, all the wires had come undone and didn't work, so I got that bit and could cut it off because it wasn't needed, because we got a new one, put a new one on, and that's the bottom bit. I'm never sure. So that's a bit which the cable... No, that's a bit which goes into the jibbly-doo, if you see what I mean. So that's it, and I would like to say thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it, and goodbye, fellow